Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. We start on 24-hour temperature casts, and like we've seen for almost every day in August, we expect those temperatures by lunchtime to be well up into the 90s and sit there for many, many hours, way up in the middle and upper 90s. Eventually, things will cool down, but only so much. We're going to start tomorrow with those warmer than normal temperatures again. We're talking mid-70s and up. Again, with the heat advisories and excessive heat warnings. Now, currently, the excessive heat warning is only for that small little area out towards Panama City, while everybody else expecting the heat advisory, but you're splitting hairs. When we talk about a heat index of 108 or 110, there isn't much difference. It's really uncomfortable and it's really dangerous any way you look at it. Here's what we've got satellite radar composite style. Not much going on organized, and that's really been the problem for a while. We have no organized energy helping to generate more than just some pop-up afternoon showers, so we end up with lots of hours with those really high temperatures, and then even when the showers start, they only fall in a few spots, and that means other areas don't get the benefit of that rain for the thirsty lawns, gardens, and greens, but also some areas just don't cool down. Now, I think for a lot of us, we get some better chances for more showers tomorrow as we actually finally do bring a little energy into our part of the southeast. For today, it's going to be a lot like it was yesterday, and there were plenty of spots yesterday that got some decent soaking rains, 5, 6, 7 p.m., but that's after all those hours of really hot. We're starting this morning at 78 in Tallahassee, 77 in Valdosta, a little cooler, a little bit closer to normal for us in Thomasville at 73. And again, we've got those dew point temperatures, how we measure how much moisture is in the air. When they're near 75 or up over 75, it's really uncomfortable out there. And we've got a lot of spots like that and expect them to be like that. Around the region, more temperatures spanning from a 73 in Blakely to an 81 at Apalachicola. Perry's checking in at 76. Got lots of mid-70s out there. And it's not breezy or anything, so we will be looking for some of that areas of fog, especially considering there were a couple of decent showers yesterday afternoon. But right now, so far, so good. All those visibility numbers better than 7 or 8 miles. Now, not nearly as much of those red shaded areas along the Gulf Coast today. So maybe we are finally starting to see an end to some of this crazy heat plus humidity. And there's a boundary to our north that is going to try and get here and help to wring out a few extra showers tomorrow. That's tomorrow. So today, I think real similar to the day that we had yesterday. Hopefully we pop in enough showers and a little bit sooner so we don't spend as many hours with those temperatures up near 100. I do think we're going to find lots of middle and upper 90s for daytime highs, though, so expect it. And then as we get to this evening, I do think there'll be some showers lingering. And then tomorrow, better chances for more showers in more areas at more times during the day. So that all should help to keep those daytime highs down a bit tomorrow. We take a look at the tropics. Nothing much cooking still for the Gulf for the Caribbean. If we take a look way out across the Atlantic, there's 2 areas of disturbed weather. That one that's coming off the coast of Africa, that one's the most live looking right now. It's got the 30% chance for development over the next week. Now it's a million miles from nowhere. We've got plenty of time to watch, but the tropics do look like they're starting to wake up a little bit. So we've got our eyes on it for you. On the Gulf today, winds out of the west and southwest 5 to 12, seas 2 feet or less. We'll call it mostly smooth in the protected waters. It's 70s and 80s, the hazy sunshine, the muggy conditions. We'll put those rain chances around 60% again today. Hopefully we'll find as many showers and in more spots today to knock those temperatures from those upper 90s, but it's still going to be hot, humid, uncomfortable, dangerous kind of hot again. And then tonight into tomorrow, it stays muggy. The showers eventually fizzle. It may take till after midnight. And as we get to this 7-day forecast, here come the changes. Wednesday, a better shot for some more widespread showers, and hopefully that means the temperatures never get as hot in the first place. As we get to Thursday and Friday, the air in the upper part of the atmosphere looks like it finally dries out a little bit, and while it's still going to be hot, it won't be as humid, and that should make it feel a little less gross outside.